How you doing today, hon? I'm good.
I saw someone, a young lady, I don't know if she's ODing or what, but she's passed out, like laying right off the side of the road.
I just didn't want you to walk out on the road. Were you sitting down a minute ago somewhere? Catching some rest?
They thought I was right there in the corner, but I wasn't.
Okay, did the medics come by and talk to you?
Yeah, they did show up.
Okay, yeah, because that's what someone called. I was making sure they're calling about you. Do you need anything? Are you sure you're going to be all right out here? Because you're a little tipsy. What have you been using?
Man, ice, nothing, no, nothing.
Nothing? No ice?
Ice.
Yeah. How often do you use that stuff?
Well, I try not to.
Try not to.
Anyhow.
Is that what you usually like to use, or did you just get it because you couldn't get anything else?
I've done it before, literally, just to stay up here lately.
Why are you doing it to stay up? Why don't you want to sleep?
Sit down.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down. But why would you want to take something that wouldn't let you sleep?
But, that's a fact.
Okay. Why do you do that to yourself? Alright. Where do you normally stay? Where do you normally kick it?
I wish I were homeless.
Yeah, I know you're homeless, but you stay somewhere normally, right?
Yeah, but see, when at times I really want to stay away from sleep.
Yeah. You from out here on the west side, or did you move down here and can't get away?
Well, no, I live in Kentucky.
In Kentucky?
I wish I could do that. Not that I can't.
Yeah. Well, you got to find a way to get yourself out of this stuff. Have you ever tried to go to treatment or anything?
No, I ain't welcome to slam my life away now. That's a fucking death sentence.
You don't want to go to treatment? So that you don't have to use these drugs and stuff on the street.
I ain't gonna use them now.
Okay. I know. Do you like kind of your life out here?
I love it.
You love it?
Cars.
I think you're being facetious.
No.
No, not at all. Okay. Would you like me to take you anywhere today?
No, it's not a drink. I'm almost the world.
You said you're on your way to get a shower. Where do you normally do that at? What's that?
My grandma.
Oh, your grandma lives around here? Okay. So you're going to be all right?
Yeah.
All right, honey. You take care.
Yep. Later.
Yep.